Hello everyone, this is our another video regarding a alpha level set in a fuzzy set. So at first we know what is a alpha level fuzzy set. Think the fuzzy set that have a different value means membership value between 0 and 1. Okay, the alpha level just a set, a way to filter the important element. Means simple example, alpha level set equals to all the element whose value greater than equal to alpha. See, we have example. This is a fuzzy set. Okay, let alpha level value is 0.5. Now we check the elements. 0.2 is less than alpha level value, so we can add in a set. 0.5 is greater than equals to alpha level value, so we accept it in an alpha cut set. 0.8 sem is greater than 0.5, so we also say 0.3 is less than 0.5, so we can't add it. Okay, so the alpha cut set is B C. On a real world example is only student with a marks greater than equals to 50 they are pass. Okay, here the 50% is the alpha cut, alpha level. So pass student is equal to alpha cut. This is level. Help where the use alpha levels help to decision making, AI and control system. Okay, in IoT devices. Now we go our coding part. Okay, okay, this is a class and the class name is alpha underscore cut. Okay, the alpha cut class have contain one constructor and four methods. The method names are create underscore fuzzy. The help of this method we can create a fuzzy set. Another is a create underscore alpha cut. Okay, the help of this method we can create another set. This is called a alpha cut set. And our next method is a display underscore fuzzy. Help of this method we can display our fuzzy set, and another is a display alpha cut. The help of this method we can display the alpha cut set. Okay, and we have a one main function, and here we call our main. So open our main function. So in main function we have a one reference variable. The type of reference variable is int type, and here we enter some values by the help of the user input. How to get user input? Here we have a input function. It is Python built-in function. Help of this function we take the value from the user, and by default it is type of the string, but we convert it by the help of the built-in function int. Okay, it's called a typecasting, string to int. Then here we create an object as a reference. Type of this reference is alpha underscore cut, and initialized by a constructor, a parameterized constructor. Just take a one argument. Okay, here we here we call the method of the alpha cut class. The first call the method is a create underscore fuzzy, and our second method is a create underscore alpha underscore cut, and another two method is for the display purpose. The first is display underscore fuzzy. Help of this method we can display our fuzzy set, and the last one is the display underscore alpha underscore cut. The help of this method we can display the alpha cut set. Okay, this is our main function. This is our constructor. In a constructor have a one formal argument and also self. It is one instance reference variable of the class initialized by a formal argument, and also we have a one instance reference variable. Type of this variable is a dict initialized by the empty dictionary. Okay, and our it is a create fuzzy method. So here we use a for loop at first. Mm, the help of for loop, we insert the element here. So the for loop runs 0 to n minus 1 here, and in the for loop we use a instance variable. The type of instance variable is a string, and here we input element of this variable like a, b, c, d. And also we input a membership value. Okay, where a membership, it is a reference variable, type is float, initialized by the input user input data. By default, the input function return a string type to is converted by the float. Here another type casting, string to float. And we write this logic under the try and exception block. Okay, why we use the try and exception? If the membership value is greater than 1 or less than 0, means negative, then try throw a error. There's error catched by the rise value error. Membership value must between 0 to 1. And print it with the and print it in the console. So avoiding the error comments that user cannot handle. Okay, so here asterisk, the membership value, check the membership value is a 0 to 1. It's satisfied, then the control comes to the if block, and here we initialize the value by the key value pair. Okay, self.fuzzy square bracket open and close L, and we initialize by the membership value. That's it. And this is our another create.alpha.cut. Create the alpha.cut. Here we set another reference variable. Type of reference variable is dict, initialized by the empty dictionary. And here we another reference variable. This was self.alpha underscore value. It is a float type of reference variable, initialized by the input of the alpha tensor value, is a float value. And here we use the another for loop. Okay, the main purpose of the for loop, it is for loop. The help of this item method of the dictionary class, we fetch every key and value from the dictionary. Okay, and here we check, if method we check if the value is greater than equals to alpha value, means suppose your alpha value is 0.5, so our value is must be 0 to 5 and greater, not less than 0 to 5. So these values are accepted, and control go under the if block, and here we insert the key value pair by the using the update method of the dictionary class. This is a syntax of the update method, alpha.cut underscore cut dot update, because it is a method to use the dot keyword. And under the curly braces, key clone value. Key means our key, value means our value, key means our element, and value is our membership for set regarding. Okay, and this is our display part. Okay, display part, it is our if function check if no value is present in a fuzzy set, then it's print the no data found and return the control. Okay, it is save our time. If this is false, then control come to the for loop. Okay, and here same as the help of the item method of the dictionary class, he fetch our key and value from the dictionary and print it here. Okay, print it here, and this is our display alpha cut. The help of this method, at first we check if any value is present in an alpha dictionary, alpha.cut dictionary or not. If not present, then so no data found. Okay, and return the control. If the data is present in the alpha.cut dictionary, then the for loop will be run. It's called the dot item methods. This method is under the dictionary class. The help of this method, we fetch a key and value from the dictionary, okay, and we print it by the key value pair. And dot format, it is another method, and here we print our key and value of the alpha cut dictionary, alpha cut set, fuzzy set. Okay, that's all about. Thank you. If any issue, then comment me on my YouTube channel. Okay everyone, now we run our code here. Enter the total number of the element, in a fuzzy set. Suppose our fuzzy set have 5 element content. Enter the element, first element A, and her membership value like 0.4, member B, and he takes also 0.6, and C have 0.5, and D have 1, and E have 0.7. And now we enter the alpha cut value. Suppose alpha cut value is 0.5. Okay, this is our fuzzy set content, and this is our alpha cut set. Okay, alpha cut set update by insert the only value greater than equals to 0.5. So we saw 0.4 is not in the 0.6. Also, बाकी all the values are insert in the set, alpha cut set, এটা ভুল আছে।